Welcome to Secure Management Faculties, where your mind is key before you unlock what is seen. Secure Agent Dreyfuse. Alright, as the usual, standard below, hit the sell your guns tab. If you have an additional firearm and you need to send that firearm out, do so, make some extra currency. Let's jump right into it. We'll be talking about two particular things, just not to rush this topic, and that'll be for the channel maintenance and updates, basically, which will be subjectively talked about and skipped over. And then we'll be talking about our pre-channel topic that I'm going to have to recover back once all the maintenance done, and then redo the topic again. Okay, so first things first, the updates. Obviously, performance issues as far as, better editing prospects. I want to establish some footer and header presentation improvements, more so on the additional elaborations tab, to make every video have a breakdown time link to specific parts, and then just pretty much an overall patchwork of what I need done and some goals that need to be set. The week to week is fine. It's just that I want to concentrate wholeheartedly on improving the channel and improving the quality of my videos, and also the virtual playlist tab as well. I haven't been in there, but I've been doing some work on the virtual reality segment. Been thinking about getting some new equipment. Of course, the Pro, I believe, is the Quest Pro 2, or just Quest Pro. It's a bit more pricey. It can still be done and gathered, but I'm making some improvements. I think the Quest 2 is more than enough, but I digress. The point is, virtual reality, I want to bring that in full, but I also want to stream some things, extensively from other places, but I got to get the power to do it, and that is through my either personal computer or some sort of laptop or integration with a console system, however that works, but I still need to do the groundwork. At the end of the day, channel maintenance conclusively is about simply the improvement of the communicative experience with my communication from the titling, the community section, and also the elaboration tab. Also going to be receiving improvements for the virtual reality playlist. Also, possibly another playlist will be coming, but that has not been determined. And just the overall editing process for not only the segments of the actual video, but just overall quality improvement, and then start getting the official playlist tab back and running. And then some other links I may have below, considering curriculum and training and that stuff that is linked directly to the website that's under maintenance. But that will be pretty much it in regards to the maintenance. And I also want to suggest that even though the channel is under maintenance, there will be a post on my direct Facebook page, Dreyfuse D S.M.F. Understand that every week I'm going to be doing a self-initiated prophetic motivational word, if you will, or a self-initiated word or goal-setting word that is just simply concentrated on where the channel's going and the words that encase my spectrum and my realm and my encyclopedia and my focus. And as I said, key phrase, self-initiated, and just follow that week to week. Just remember, it'll be posted just like every other video, and I'll actually post the self-initiated practical word or tactical word. You'll see the finalization of that entitlement. I'll be posting that final or the same repeat post that I have on my direct Facebook page in the community section, so you'll be able to see that there as well, and it'll be week to week until the maintenance period is over. The maintenance period shouldn't last that long, but just moving forward, let's talk about that pre-topic. I'm going to be talking about sealing your beliefs, and this will be a fundamental self-defense practical phrase. And sealing your beliefs is basically not using the what I consider to be a technique of taking things for a grain of salt, and properly taking things for a grain of salt. Again, I'm not going to extend this, but I'm going to get to a conclusion of what that means as fast as I can, because pretty much, like I said, it's just a pre-topic. When you seal your beliefs on something, you close it off and make it essentially absolute. So let's use self-defense as an example. Let's say someone said in a racist comment, only rednecks use single action weapons. And you've sealed your belief off that only rednecks use single action weapons. And so you've placed yourself in this automatic understanding that, an automatic subconscious understanding that, well, I'm not a redneck, so I'm not going to use a single action weapon. And you're ignoring the technicalities of what a single action does and why it does it, as far as the curriculum understanding of the trigger and why the trigger acts that way, and why that would not and why that would be better in a self-defense situation. You've sealed your beliefs off and progressively have made yourself stagnant while in motion. And so, just to conclude it without going deeper into it, because I'm going to bring the topic back, don't seal yourself off while being in motion, because the worst thing to do is to be moving around and not moving nowhere at all. All right, secure management faculties where your mind is key before you unlock what is seen. Secure Agent Dreyfuse. Again, say your guns tab below. Need additional firearm, need the extra currency. Follow the link, send that out, get the extra currency. Again, these self-initiated words of prophetics or self-initiated practical tactical words will be distributed in the community section every week, just as much as the videos were posted, and also on Dreyfuse D. S.M.F. Go to the bottom of my description and you'll see my personal Facebook page. There is a entitled title at the bottom, and then you have the link. Follow the link and you will see it. And if you're not subscribed, that's where you want to go. If you are subscribed, then you're just simply going to go to the community section, whichever comes first. This is going to be acknowledged. Again, thank you. Appreciate it.